The SANUS tilting TV wall mount offers an impressive 12 degrees of tilt, making it ideal for reducing glare and enhancing viewing comfort, especially for televisions placed above eye level. This versatile mount accommodates a wide range of television sizes, from 46 inches to 90 inches, and is compatible with most major brands, ensuring a universal fit for various models. With an open wall plate design, this mount allows for easy in-wall cable management, providing a tidy and organized appearance by concealing cables and outlets. The 5.7-inch extension feature enables easy access to cables behind the television and allows the mount to be pushed back for a sleek, low-profile look. Installation is straightforward, taking as little as 30 minutes with the provided hardware and drill template, and adjustments can be easily made post-installation for optimal viewing. Supported by a 5-year warranty and excellent customer service, the SANUS mount ensures peace of mind and reliable support for any questions or concerns.